Goeiemiddag, maats. Dit is die taaljuffie bekend as Juffrou Kamfer. Ons fokus op vraestel 1, spesifiek die advertensie. Vraestel 1 bestaan uit leesbegrip, opsomming en taal. Taal het verskillende fasette. Advertensie is deel van taal, waarvan 8 vrae gebaseer is op advertensie en 2 sal dan 2 taalvrae wees. Kenmerke van 'n advertensie. Guidelines to an advert. So these are the guidelines that you have to follow when you do or answer an advertensie. These guidelines will help you. It doesn't matter what the advertensie might be, what the questions will be, but if you know how to analyze it, you will understand the questions when it's in question form, and you will be able to answer it. Because what is advertensie? Advertensie is visual text, is what your eyes can see. You identify the answers with your eyes. So nommer 1, analyseer die advertensie. Analyze your advert. You will take your pencil on your exam paper and you analyze your advert. Do not start or read your questions. First, identify what can your eyes see. What do you see with your eyes? What do you identify with your eyes? 1.1 Hoofopskrif, it's the heading. You will write the heading, if you will write the hoofopskrif, if there is a hoofopskrif. Remember, you are only identifying what there is of this is a lot of kenmerke, but not all the kenmerke will be on your advert. So you need to study these kenmerke so you can remember them, and then you will identify them on your paper. 1.2 Verskillende fonttype en fontgrootte. Different font type and font size. 1.3 vetgedrukte woorde, it's your bold letters. 1.4 'n foto of 'n prentjie, a picture or photo. Tekengroep, target audience, target group. 1.6 kontak besonderhede, contact details. Now with contact besonderhede, it can be someone's name, it can be an email address. It can also be a website where you can click on it and then you will get info on it. It can also be a telephone number. 1.7 is your logo. 1.8 is slagspreuk, slogan. Nike slogan is just do it. That is a slogan. 1.9 uniekheid van advertensie, uniqueness of an advert. What makes this product different? Why should I, as the buyer, buy, or the reader, buy this product? What makes this product unique? This is when we say uniekheid van advertensie. What is the perks of the advert? It's an advert, there will always be perks. What makes this product different? What is the special here? What is the perks? Hoe om 'n advertensie te ontleed? Jy moet in staat wees om die volgende vraag te beantwoord. Wat jy sien in die advertensie, what do you see, like we just spoke on? Is dit 'n produk of 'n diens wat geadverteer word? Is it a product or a service? For instance, you can also get the advertensie that is a service. Let's say Funza Lusaka. It can also be a service that's being advertised. Beers are different bursaries. Like Funza Lusaka is giving a bursary. It's the bursary being advertised. It is a service. They cannot sell a bursary. Is dit 'n produk of diens, soos ek het gesê? Wat is die verband tussen die gedrukte teks en die grafiese teks? What is the connection on the written words of the advert and the photos. So why do they put a photo with the written advert? The words, why? What is the connection between the two? Wie is die tekenmark op wie die advertensie gemik is? Vir wie is die advertensie bedoel? Who's the target audience? Let's say it's Pampers, it will be for parents. Let's say it's Toffees, it will be for parents. Let's say it is a Chris Brown concert, then it will be for those who are Chris Brown fans. Kom ons gaan na die advertensie. Hierdie is 'n advertensie van Spur. So what is the first thing that we need to look at? So we see the advert. So the first thing we see a hoofopskrif. We see a photo. There's a logo. There's also, what you can actually see is the colors of our national flag. You see a slogan, 'n slagspreuk, verskillende fonttype en fontgrootte, vetgedrukte woorde. They're giving us the perks as to why you should go to Spur. What is the initial plan of the advert? Dit neem 2 vir 'n spesiale aand. 4 die maand van liefde met 2 geregte in 1, 'n lus vir die lewe. And they're giving you a perk as to why you should come to Spur. Eerlik om te deel, honder gegeer met Spur se dirty sous. What can you see met jou oë? What can you see with your eyes? This is now on the advert. Die hoofopskrif is die heading en die Spur, verskillende fonttype en fontgrootte, different font size en font type, vetgedrukte woorde, it's in bold letters, the heading is in bold. Daar's 'n foto, daar's 'n logo, daar's 'n slagspreuk, 'n slogan, en Februarie is daar promosie. So there is a special going on. Het 'n keuse van die volgende, also giving you a choice, 300 gram ribbetjies en 'n kwart hoender of calamari. So you choose between the two. We're going to look at the questions. So when it comes to taal, you will have your advertensie. So it is out of 10. So 8 questions will be based on the advert. So there will be advert questions. And then 2 will be taal. You will get this in your Sprokiesprent as well, where there will be 8 questions based on Sprokiesprent and 2 will be taal questions. 3.1. Wie is die teikengroep in hierdie advertensie? Who's the target audience? Noem 1 visuele tegniek wat gebruik word om die leser se aandag te trek. You have to give 1 visual technique that was used to draw the attention of the reader. In this case, I just ask 1. It can be 2 based on how many visual techniques were used. 3.3. Dit neem 2 vir 'n spesiale aan. Waarna verwys die 2? What is the 2 being referred to? Hoekom word sweet sticky Spur based in Engels geskryf? Why is it in English? Why is sticky Spur based in English? This is 'n Afrikaans paper. Motiveer waarom daar 2 hartjies in die advertensie verskyn. You have to explain why is there 2 hearts, or what is the definition of the 2 hearts. Motiveer waarom. Gee die letter greep vir calamari. So here the taal question Estati. Gee jy die lettergreep the syllable of calamari. Gee die oortreffende trap verheerlik, the degrees of comparison. 3.8 Deur wie word hierdie advertensie geadverteer? Who is the advertiser in this advert? 3.9 Hoe word die spesiale aanbod bo aan die advertensie beklemtoon? How is the special being emphasized? How is the title, the heading being emphasized? Ek het die antwoorde neergeskryf. 3.1 se antwoord is, die tekengroep is mense wat verlief is, mense wat in 'n romantiese verhouding is. Ons kan self sê dat dit getroude paartjies is. 3.2 Die adverteerder gebruik 'n foto om die leser se aandag te trek. 3.3 Twee verliefde mense. Daar is twee soorte geregte kosse. 3.4 Dit is die naam van die sous. 3.5 In Februarie word Valentynsdag gevier en dit manipuleer die leser om na Spur te gaan. 3.6 Calamari. You have to use the hyphen in Afrikaans die aandagstreep. 3.7 Heerlikste. 3.8 Spur is die adverteerder. 3.9 Dit word in vetgedrukte woorde geskryf en daar is 'n uitroepteken. Baie dankie, dit is die einde van ons les.